In this video we learn how to balance the chemical equation. There is a chemical equation और इसको बैलेंस करने के लिए नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट शुड बी सेम ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. तो किस तरह से देखिए, अभी ये स्केलेटल इक्वेशन है, इसको इक्वेट बैलेंस करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर आप लिखेंगे LHS ऑन द रिएक्टेंट साइड्स एंड RHS ऑन द प्रोडक्ट साइड. ओके, सो यहाँ पर जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं वो आप कॉपी कर लें. जैसे यहाँ पर आपका कॉपर, देन ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन. सेम यही एलिमेंट्स यहाँ पर हैं, कॉपर, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन. सो नंबर ऑफ एटम्स on this side, on the left hand side of copper is 1, oxygen is 1, nitrogen is 1 and hydrogen is 3. And number of atoms of the same elements on this side, RHS side, is 1, oxygen is 1, nitrogen is 2 and hydrogen is 2. So first we balance the copper, and copper is already balanced. So we move to oxygen. Oxygen is balanced. So now here the nitrogen is not balanced. There is a 1 atom and there is a 2 atoms. Okay, so we need to balance it. So here we need to multiply here with 2. So this become a 2. But at the same time, the number of hydrogen atoms on this side is increases from 3 to 6. So this becomes 6. Okay, so now this is 1 1 2 and this is again 1 1 2, but this is 6 and this is 2. Now we need to balance this hydrogen atom. So how we can make this 6? Just simply this 2 here, this is H, we need to multiply here 3. If I multiply here with 3, then this hydrogen becomes 6, but same time the oxygen is increases. Initially it was 1 atom, now there is a 3 atoms. Now atoms are 3. So this is again unbalanced. So I have to balance it, oxygen. Okay, so how can I make it 3? So this is oxygen here 3. So I need to multiply here with 3. So this become 3. But at the same time again the copper is changed. This time the copper is not 1, this time it is 3. So this become unbalanced. Here this is 3 and this is 1. So on that side copper should be, I have to make it 3. So I simply just multiply here with 3. So this become 3. Now you can check. This is 3 3 2 6 and this is 3 3 2 6 and this is your equation is balanced. So this is your equation number 1. So let's do some more examples. Now let's do the second example. Now we need to balance this equation. This is your second equation. अब इसको किस तरह बैलेंस करेंगे? Again we start here with LHS and here is RHS. Okay, so the elements used in this is manganese, then oxygen, hydrogen and chlorine. Here again the copy these elements, MO, hydrogen and chlorine. So number of atoms at this side is 1, oxygen is 2, hydrogen is 1 and chlorine is 1. Here manganese is again 1, oxygen is 1, hydrogen is 2 and chlorine is 2 and 2 4. Okay, so now how we can balance it? First of all you can say that manganese is balanced already. Here oxygen atom is 2 and here it is 1. So I have to make it 2, and that can I do just by multiplying here with 2. So this become 2. But at the same time the hydrogen which was 2 increase from 2 to 4. So this become 4. Okay, so here you can see 1 1 and 2 2. Now this hydrogen is 1 and this is 4. I have to make it 4. So I have to, how can I make it 4? So I can make it 4 just by multiply this with 4. Okay, but at the same time the chlorine increases from 1 to 4. This become also 4. So now you can say, you can see that 1 2 4 4 1 2 4 4, and this is your again a balanced equation. Okay, let's do one more example, that is third. आपकी ये इक्वेशन है, अब इसको हमें बैलेंस करना है. तो ऐसे ही करेंगे, यहाँ पर लिखेंगे हम LHS and in this LHS the elements are Fe, sulfur and oxygen. There are 1 atom, there is a 2 atom, there is 2 atom. On this RHS side the iron is 2, then sulfur is 1 and oxygen is 3 and 2, that is total 5. Okay, so first we start with iron. Here it is 1 and it is 2, so I can make it 2 and this become 2 just by multiplying it with 2. Okay, so this is 2 and this is 2. But when I multiply it with 2, the sulfur is increases from 2 to 4. so this become 4. Okay, so now let here sulfur is 4 and this is 1. So how can I make it 4? It can be, I can make it 4 just by multiplying here with 4. Okay, but at the same time the oxygen increases from 2 to 8, so this become now 8. Okay, no, this is 2, 5, this is 4 into 2 plus 3, and this is 8 plus 3, this become 11, this become 11. Okay, so now this is 2, this is 4, and oxygen is unbalanced. Here it is 2 and here it is 11. So how I can make this 2 as 11? इसको हम 11 किस तरह से बना सकते हैं? It is very difficult to make it multiplying with any integer. So there is no problem, we can multiply with any rational number as well. So if I multiply here with 11 by 2, 2 cancel out, then oxygen will be 11 then. इस तरह से हम कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल हम किसी भी रेशनल फ्रैक्शन से भी इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ओके सो जैसे हम यहाँ इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इक्वेशन बैलेंस हो जाएगी, लेकिन ये सही अच्छी दिखाई नहीं देती। तो हम क्या करेंगे इसको फर्दर कि इसको यहाँ से हटाने के लिए पूरी इक्वेशन को, है ना, वी मल्टीप्लाई द होल इक्वेशन बाय 2। ओके, देन ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और आपकी नई बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन आ जाएगी। इसको 2 को आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो दैट्स बिकम 4 FeS2 प्लस 2 cancel out, is become 11 O2, and this is again multiply with 2, this become 2 Fe2O3, and this also multiply with 2, this become 8 SO2. so this is your balanced equation. तो इस तरह से आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि आप बड़ी आसानी से किसी भी इक्वेशन को बैलेंस कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए आप और इक्वेशंस को प्रैक्टिस कर देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।